Hello, what I have tonight is a 7-pin Mul-T-Lock Garrison. It's an integrator version. You can see the little eye stamped on the plug of the lock. That's for the integrator. But first I want to say thank you to Alan at uklockpickers.co.uk. He sent me this lock. He sent me a MT5 Euro profile, and he sent me another MT5 core, brand new, for my padlock. Have one of the C series. Let me zoom out a little bit. The C series Mul-T-Lock, brand new in the package. It's got 2 keys, the key card. And so now I have a Mul-T-Lock MT5 core for my padlock. So thank you very much for all the Mul-T-Locks. So now let's get onto this one here. So this is a 7-pin. That should work. We'll pick it here and gut it. I haven't had this one apart yet, so. False set, pretty good false set. So it's got a bunch of warding in it, and it likes to eat my pick. Should be just missing one, I think. There it is. So not too bad to pick. I'm going to go ahead, since I've never seen what's inside of one of these, go ahead and gut it and see what's in it. Go ahead and turn it back a little bit. Okay, got the clip off. Follower. Drop the ball bearing out of it. See if I can show you the bitting on it. Need a thinner pick. Here's the bitting on it. It looks like we have a spooled key pin down here in number 7. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Got a spooled torpedo-shaped key pin. A standard, a standard, a standard, okay, that's what they were talking about. A weird pin. We'll look at that in a second. And the first 2 are standard. of the pins on these, if you look up Mul-T-Lock Integrator, just Google it. It talks about an oval shape being cut in one of the pin positions. And as you can see in the plug here, number 3 is ovaled out. And the pin for number 3 is odd looking. There we go. It's just got that weird shape to it. So that was in the 3rd position. Let me pull this up real quick. It says the integrator comprises a special high-precision 7-pin tumbler mechanism with a factory-ready patented key blank that includes an oval cut. Special launcher pins are inserted into the relevant plug chambers of the cylinder, which correspond to the oval key cut to complete the system's pin tumbler security mechanism. The special cuts on the integrator keys are available in 3 different configurations: internal, external, and twin cut. This enables a wide variety of keying options and a flexible master keying hierarchy for different locking products and environments. The robust, highly tamper-resistant key and cylinder system can be keyed alike, keyed to differ, or master keyed according to preference. So that's right from the website of Mul-T-Lock. So let's check out these top pins here. Number 1 is a spool. I've heard they're all spools, and it's looking to be true. 2, 3, 4. And yes, they are all spool pins. Oh. Seven driver spool pins. The last pin, pin number 7, is a, you can't see that, torpedo shaped spooled kinda, there we go, key pin. Standard, that oval shaped pin that we just read about. And pin 1 and 2. So that's all of it. Thanks again to UK Lock Pickers. Like I said, check out their website, uklockpickers.co.uk, and look at that Mul-T-Lock MT5. That has such a huge, I don't think there's any warding at all on that keyway. I haven't tried picking it yet, but that'll be next on the to-do list. And in the very back of it, barely sticking up there, you can see that alpha spring. So that one should be a challenge, along with the padlock. It's an MT5 also, but you can see it actually has some warding to it. So those videos will be coming up soon, I hope. That's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.